Why did Amber get the photos edited? She could have left Johnny without the accusation. Then what was the reason behind defaming him? Before we proceed, kindly press the subscribe button and don't hesitate to like and share this video. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp met in 2009 on the set of the movie The Rum Diary based on the novel by Hunter S. Thompson. They began dating in 2012 after Depp ended his 14-year relationship with Vanessa Paradis. They got engaged in 2014 and married in 2015 in a private ceremony on Depp's private island in the Bahamas. Their marriage was short-lived and turbulent, with the allegation of domestic abuse, drug and alcohol addiction, and bizarre incidents, such as smuggling their dogs into Australia and defecating on a bat. They divorced in 2016 and released a statement saying that they had a passionate relationship but neither had intentionally harmed the other. They reached a $7 million divorce settlement, which Heard donated to charity. However, the drama did not end there. In 2018, Heard wrote an op-ed for the Washington Post in which she described surviving domestic violence and becoming an advocate for victims. She did not mention Depp by name, but he sued her for defamation, claiming she had falsely accused him of abuse and damaged his reputation and career. He sought $50 million in damages. Depp also sued the Sun newspaper in the UK for calling him a wife-beater in an article. He lost the case as the judge found that he had assaulted Heard on 12 out of 14 occasions and that the article was substantially true. Depp appealed the verdict, but it was rejected. He was also asked to resign from his role as Grindelwald in the Fantastic Beasts franchise. In 2021, the defamation trial between Depp and Heard took place in the US, with both actors testifying in court and making bombshell allegations of physical, emotional, and mental abuse against each other. They also presented evidence such as photos, videos, audio recordings, text messages, and witness statements. The trial lasted for 3 weeks and attracted worldwide attention. She said the first act of physical violence occurred in 2013, recalling that he slapped her 3 times one day after she laughed at one of his tattoos. "I will never forget it," Heard said. "It changed my life." Amber Heard spoke in court about many other times when Depp was violent with her, telling about situations when Depp supposedly hit her, threw her to the ground, grabbed her by the hair, pushed her against the wall, headbutted and threw objects at her, including drinking glasses and a cell phone. Brian Neumeister, an expert witness called by Depp's legal team, testified that embedded data showed some photos went through an iPhone photo editing and sorting application. He noted that 3 photos that appeared to be the same were in fact different sizes. In cross-examination, Depp lawyer pressed Heard on why she did not have medical records to substantiate the allegations of assault. People were wondering why Amber did not ask for help, why she was silent. This was a sign for Depp's fan that Amber was accusing him. To support Depp, his co-stars came forward. Hollywood star Winona Ryder, who dated Johnny Depp for 4 years from 1989 to 1993, said, "He has never been violent or abusive towards anybody I have seen. I truly and honestly only know him as a really good man. I felt so very safe with him." Penelope Cruz said, "I have always been impressed by his kindness. I've seen Johnny in so many situations and he is always kind to everyone around." Vanessa Paradis said, "I have known Johnny Depp for more than 25 years. We have been partners for 14 years and we raised our 2 children together. Through all these years, I have known Johnny to be a kind, attentive, generous and non-violent person and father. I can say he was never violent or abusive to me." Johnny's Pirate of the Caribbean co-star Kevin McNally also voiced his love for Johnny. "My dream is that some sort of link will be needed between what has been before and whatever bizarre incarnation of it there is to come. But I sincerely think that my fate is so tied in with Johnny's that I will go with him if indeed he does go." Evergreen spoke about her Dark Shadows co-star in June 2021. "Johnny Depp is a gentleman and I would defend him at any time." His Harry Potter co-star Helena Carter, she called Depp completely vindicated. People think that she wanted to gain sympathy and public support for her case against Depp. and she wanted to tarnish Depp's reputation and career. On June 2021, the jury delivered their verdict, which shocked many people. They found that Heard's op-ed was defamatory and that she knew her claims of abuse were false when she published it. They also found that she acted with actual malice and intended to harm Depp's reputation and career. They awarded Depp $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damage. They also found that Depp, through his former attorney Adam Waldman, defamed Heard on one count when she described her allegation of abuse as a hoax in an interview with Daily Mail. They awarded Heard $2 million in compensatory damages but no punitive damages. Both Depp and Heard expressed their reaction to the verdict through their lawyers. Depp lawyers said he was grateful and vindicated by the jury's decision and that he hoped this would restore his reputation and career. Heard lawyers said she was disappointed and outraged by the verdict and that she would appeal and continue to fight for justice. We hope you enjoyed this video. What's your take on their story? Please feel free to express your opinion in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel.